Actually, this video is for the people who are struggling to get ERP training certificate. So ERP training certificate is very important in order to attend tenders. So class week contractors or class of contractors, whoever are new to CPWD, need to get that ERP training certificate in order to attend each tender in CPWD. So they are struggling where to go for training, and they're not getting such data for attending a training. So I am here with a solution for those contractors, and this will be very helpful for those who haven't got the ERP training certificate. So what I suggest is, so they are not updating each and everything in the circulars regarding training, or you are not getting mail for each and everything. So in this case, what you have to do, you have to go to the nearest region. That is, you no need to go to the nearest region. You just make a phone call. Every detail is available in the Google. You can just search for it. For example, if you are in Tamil Nadu, there is a region in Chennai. In website, if you go in southern region, there will be project region or region. If you know to search for tenders in e-tenders, there will be a division. Just search it in the Google and you will get the office address, office number. So you just make a call and ask for details, and they may divert to another number, or they may even say the detail that on this date we are going to conduct ERP training and contractors can attend. So such details they will give it when you go offline calling them to the office. So in whichever state you are, just make a call, go to Google and make a call to your region head. So this is what I feel to convey in this video, because many people are commenting for where I can get ERP training, when and where. So how to get the certificate without training, or how to attend the training. So much questions I'm getting. So this will be a best solution. Only few RTA, I mean regional training institute, they are updating it in online, and most of them are conducting in offline itself. So I have made this video in order to create a small awareness. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Stay updated with ZINDHA